In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a ClickUp space to another workspace. If you want to duplicate a space and move that structure into a different workspace, the easiest way to do it is by turning the space into a template and then using that template in a destination workspace. This is especially helpful if you want to keep the same setup, views, tasks, fields, and automations without rebuilding everything manually. To get started, open ClickUp and find the space you want to copy. Hover over that space, click the three-dot menu and then select Templates. This opens the template options for that space. From there, click Save as Template. Then choose Create New Template. This tells ClickUp you want to make a brand new template based on the current space, rather than overwrite an existing one. Next, enter a name in the template name field. Pick something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you may reuse it later or share it across teams. Now you'll choose what content should be included in the template. Enable the items you want to copy, such as views, tasks, custom fields, and automations. This part is important, because these settings determine how complete the copied space will be in the other workspace. After that, open the Task Properties dropdown and select which task details you want to include. This helps you control how much task information is carried over into the template. Then, open Template Visibility and choose who can access the template. Once that's set, turn on Public Sharing. This is the key step that allows the template to be used in another workspace. Now click Save Template to finish creating it. Once the template has been saved, open it in the Template Center. Click Share and copy the public link. This link is what you'll use to bring the space into the other workspace. Next, open the copied public link. On that page, click Use Template. ClickUp will then prompt you to choose where the template should go. Select the destination workspace, enter the new space name, and configure the import options. Take a moment here to review the settings so the copied space is created exactly the way you want. Finally, click Use Template again to create the copied space in the other workspace. ClickUp will then generate the new space using the template you just shared. And that's it! You've successfully copied a ClickUp space to another workspace using a public template link. Thanks for watching.